Did you know that a single glass of beetroot juice can transform your health in ways you never imagined? This vibrant, ruby-red elixir is not just a treat for your taste buds, but a powerhouse of nutrients that can bring about remarkable changes in your body. From boosting energy to improving heart health, beetroot juice is truly a miracle drink. It's like having a natural energy drink that also takes care of your cardiovascular system. Hi, and welcome back to Tony Herbal Remedies. We're thrilled to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of beetroot juice. We'll explore its benefits, how to make it, and why you should consider adding it to your daily routine. By the end of this video, you'll know why it's one of the healthiest drinks on the planet and how it can work wonders for your body. We'll cover everything from its nutrient profile to its incredible health benefits. Beetroot juice is packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, iron, and antioxidants. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining your overall health and well-being, but what really makes it stand out is its high concentration of nitrates. These naturally occurring compounds are converted into nitric oxide in the body, which has numerous health benefits. These natural compounds improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and even enhance athletic performance. Athletes around the world swear by beetroot juice for its ability to boost stamina and endurance. Here's the magic: beetroot juice helps relax blood vessels and improve circulation, making it a powerful ally for your heart health. This can lead to better oxygen delivery throughout your body. In fact, studies have shown that drinking beetroot juice daily can significantly reduce high blood pressure. This makes it an excellent natural remedy for those looking to manage their blood pressure levels. So, it's like nature's medicine in a glass. Need more energy? Look no further. Beetroot juice is your go-to pre-workout drink. It's packed with nutrients that help fuel your body for intense physical activity. The nitrates help deliver more oxygen to your muscles, boosting stamina and endurance. This means you can work out longer and harder without feeling as fatigued. Whether you're working out or just need an energy lift during the day, beetroot juice can give you that edge. It's a natural way to stay energized and focused. Want clearer skin and better detoxification? Beetroot juice has got you covered. The antioxidants in beetroot juice help flush toxins from your liver and body. This detoxification process is essential for maintaining good health. This not only improves your overall health, but also gives your skin that natural, radiant glow. You'll notice a difference in your complexion and skin texture. Now you might be wondering, how do I add beetroot juice to my routine? It's simple. We'll show you how to make it at home. All you need is fresh beets, a juicer, and maybe a squeeze of lemon or a touch of ginger to enhance the flavor. These additions not only improve the taste, but also add extra health benefits. Drink it first thing in the morning or as an afternoon pick-me-up. It's a versatile drink that fits into any part of your day. So there you have it. Beetroot juice is a simple yet powerful addition to your diet. Beetroot juice isn't just a drink. It's a health elixir packed with benefits for your heart, energy, skin, and overall well-being. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Start incorporating it into your daily routine and watch the transformation unfold. You'll be amazed at how quickly you start to feel the benefits. Try it for 7 days and see the difference. You'll likely notice improvements in your energy levels, skin, and overall health. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing health tips. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.